3-point. Okay, let's lock it up, and it is okay to cheer, but please no talking. All right, this is the last set of middle school awards that I'm going to be handing out, and this is a very special award. It is a principal's award, and it is for any student who received a 4.0 or above. That's straight A's, quite an accomplishment. And the first principal's award goes to Juan Alvarez. Haley Carlos. Ashley Carlos. Michael Garcia. Emily Gomez. Jacob Inez. McKenna Johnson. Brittany Mesa. Destiny Milano. Caitlin Wynn. Cristiano Choa. Stephanie Quintana. Lillian Riley. Sebastian Valencia. Getting straight A's, a 4.0 is such an accomplishment. I am so proud of these kids. Let's give them a big round of applause. Middle and high schoolers, and they are for perfect attendance. Let's lock it up, please. Thanks
for the day. So let's put a big push. We're going to have a fun day.
Okay, we are now going to turn our attention to the high school. And we're going to begin with honor roll. So let's be quiet and respectful, please. And honor roll goes out to students who have received a 3.0 to a 3.49. And our first recipient is Jason Galicia. Karen Godina. Nancy Hernandez. Cheyenne McKinley. Sienna Mendez. Alexis Naha. Eric Wynn. Jose Ramos Hernandez. Alexis Rios. I like that. Lisbeth Barragon. And today is Dress for Success Day for our seniors, by the way. Cameron Barker. Devontae Cathcart. Adrian Dye. Cody Gonzalez. Isela Gonzalez Fausto. Austin Harris. Roxana Huerta. Justin Kent. Matthew Reggio. Carlos Vega II. Caitlin Benitez. Anthony Chavez. Lock it up, please. Lock it up, cadets. Thank you. This next set of awards goes to cadets who received a 3.5 to 3.99, and that is considered high honors. And the first award goes to Aileen Carrillo, Brianna Gomez, Michael Milano, Anthony Nunez, Sheena Saeed, Emily Burris, Mohammed Hussein, Jocelyn Mascareno, Rico Navarro, Guadalupe Perez Rincon, Maxine Vasquez Guzman, Amares Vega, Janelle Bernal, David Estrella, Dama Lameli Sanchez, Henry Quach, Alberto Sanchez, and Marlon Huerta. Henry, come back. The rest aren't here. Okay, let's give him a big round of applause. Okay, this is our last set of awards. So let's keep it quiet. Let's get everybody seated. This is our last set of awards. And this is a Principal's Award, and these are for all of our straight A students with 4.0 or higher.